Hello students, welcome to our channel How to Simplify. Please subscribe our channel and do like our videos if you find them helpful in solving your subject related problems. Class 9 and 10 students, welcome to language class. I hope you are making positive deposits in your own economy by reading a lot and by listening to positive and life-changing content. Let's start with the grammar portion of ICSE English language paper. We are going to start with the transformation of sentences, the D part of your question 5 of English 1 paper. In today's lecture, I am going to deal with 3 types of sentences: unless if, as soon as and no sooner, hardly sentences, so that and to sentences. Other sentences we will do in our next video of this series, transformation of sentences. Students, here this question 5 part D is like rewrite the sentences without changing the meaning. So it is quite clear that we can't change the tense. We just have to change the formation of that sentence. We have to be very careful while reading the bracket content given after each sentence. In most of the questions, it is written like begin your sentence with such and such word. In others, it is like end your sentence with this particular word, and in some it is written like use this particular word while rewriting your sentence. So before framing your sentence, read the instructions written in the bracket very carefully, and you do have knowledge of 3 forms of verb before solving any grammar portion. So let's start with unless if sentences. Students, unless has the negative meaning, means if not. It means unless expresses a negative condition. So these words, if you do not, they are exactly have the same meaning as unless you. So unless itself contains not in it. Whenever there will be unless in a sentence, we can't use the word not, because unless itself means do not. Let's take few examples. I'm sure you will learn it easily then. First, if you do not stop eating, you will be sick. In bracket, it is written begin unless. So let's solve it. See the first 3 words. If you do not, I already told you that these words, if you do not, are exactly having the same meaning as unless you. So we will begin the answer. Unless you stop eating, you will be sick. So these both sentences, the question and answer, are having the same meaning now. Clear? Again, I am going to pick the same sentence, but I'll write it in a different way. So just have a look at the second sentence. If you stop eating, you will not be sick. In bracket, it is written begin unless. Unless you stop eating, now it means if you do not stop eating. So if you stop eating, what will happen? You will not be sick. But unless you stop eating means if you do not stop eating, then what is going to happen? You will fall sick. So the answer is unless you stop eating, you will be sick. I guess now it is clear to you. On the safe side, we will take one more example. Third sentence. Students, these sentences could come vice versa too, means it is not always like that only if sentence will be asked in the question. Unless sentences could also be asked, like see the third sentence. You cannot improve your English unless you read more books. In bracket it is written begin if. So we have to start it with if. So see the portion unless you read more books. So we will pick this portion and we will keep it in the beginning. The answer would be like if you do not read more books, comma, you cannot improve your English. So meaning again remains same. I believe all your doubts are removed. See the sentences displayed on the screen. Just give them a try to check if you have understood them well. So this is all about unless if sentences. Let's do no sooner, as soon as, hardly sentences. See the sentence displayed on your screen. I'll read it for you. As soon as they see him, they call him. Instruction is in the bracket begin no sooner. Students, while framing no sooner sentences, keep this rule in mind that these words no sooner are always followed by some helping verb. Which helping verbs? They could be do, does, did, had, or was in some cases. Students, with do, does, did, we always use first form of verb, and with had and was we always use third form of verb. And the middle of the sentence, whenever we will frame no sooner sentence, we must add a joining word, than, then, not then. Students, then is not a conjunction, it is an adverb. Many students write then and they lose full 1 mark, as there is no provision for giving half mark in this question. Full 1 mark you will get, or 0, nothing lesser or more. As I told you that among helping verbs, do, does, did, had, was, we have to choose one. How we would choose it? We will see the form of verb used in the sentence. If it is first form, like in this sentence, we will use do or does after no sooner. Here we will use do because see is without s or es. If second form of verb will be there, saw, then we will use the helping verb did. So answer of this question will be no sooner do they see him. After that, put conjunction than, then. After then, what would you write? The back portion of that sentence, they call him. I repeat the answer, no sooner do they see him than they call him. Now come to the second sentence. I will take the same sentence to make you understand properly. As soon as she sees him, S-E-E-S, comma, she calls him. Begin no sooner. No sooner, check the form of verb. It is again the first form of verb, but here it is with S. So we will, which helping verb we will use? Does. No sooner does she see him than she calls him. Now come to the third sentence. As soon as she saw him, she called him. Now saw is the second form of verb. Which helping verb we will use here? Did. So answer is no sooner did she see him than she called him. Fourth sentence, as soon as she had seen him, comma, she called him. So here we can write two answers, like no sooner had she seen him than she called him, or no sooner did she see him than she called him. As I told you, was could also be used after no sooner. Let's take example. As soon as the rescue effort was abandoned, comma, the authorities plan to seal the mine off. Begin no sooner. Answer is no sooner was the rescue effort abandoned than the authorities plan to seal the mine off. So children, these sentences could also come vice versa, means no sooner sentence could be asked in the question and you will be asked to change it into or begin it with as soon as. Now let's do hardly sentences. See the example. As soon as they went out, the bus arrived. Begin hardly. With hardly students, we always use helping verb had, and instead of then, here we use conjunction when in hardly sentences. So answer is hardly had they gone out when the bus arrived. Students, instead of hardly, it could also be asked like begin your sentence with barely or scarcely. So same rule of hardly will apply with barely or scarcely too, like barely had they gone out when the bus arrived, or scarcely had they gone out when the bus arrived. Hope you have understood these sentences well. For practice, see the sentences displayed. Please solve them in your notebooks. Now let's learn to frame so that and to sentences. So first sentence, see the sentence. The tea is too hot for me to drink. Students, first TOO, it is an adverb over here, and second to TO, it is a preposition here, right? So in bracket it is written, rewrite using so that, right? So first TOO, in place of adverb we are going to place so, and in place of preposition TO we are going to place that. So the answer will be the tea is so hot that for me, this pronoun we are going to use over here, we will change it into I, that I cannot drink it. Now again I will take the same sentence, but I'm going to change its tense. The tea was too hot for him to drink. So the tea was so hot that he could not drink it. Here we will not write cannot because it is a tense. So these sentences could also, be asked either way. So see the example, third sentence, he was so weak that he could not walk. Rewrite using to. In place of so, we are going to insert TOO adverb, and in place of that, we are going to write TO2. He was too weak to walk. Last example, children, fourth one. See, she is so busy that she finds no time to entertain her friends. Use to. Answer is she is too busy to find time to entertain her friends. So see the sentences displayed on the screen. Kindly solve all these sentences and watch the video several times in case you are having any doubt. All the best with your English. God bless you all. Bye for now.